Hello, this is just a brief overview of MeisterTask, and right now I have it on the dashboard, which is handy because you can see everything at a glance. Right now I have it on my tasks, my checklist. Clicking on the bell, it will show me notifications. Going over to the agenda shows me tasks specific to me because you can delegate different projects to different people. For the group project that we are doing right now, these are the tasks that I have put in, and you simply add by clicking the plus sign. So you have open, you have the ones in progress, and then you have when they are completed. You can also add sections if that is not enough, if it's more than 3 steps. Here is where you invite the people in your group. Clicking up here shows you activities, which is who has accessed it and how long ago and what changes they made. The filters show you who's been watching, keeps up to date the due date and the status. So that is your brief overview of MeisterTask.